shut Neuralis down for good. You will need to trace a surveillance drone, identify a bus route, and locate an abandoned signal store. You'll reverse engineer a legacy executable, break into a secured vault, and decrypt a captured wireless network. Each challenge will give you part of the master key. In the final stage, you'll assemble all fragments and decrypt Neuralis' last message. What you discover will decide whether the system is shut down or reawakens. Good luck. 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's get into it. 4th place, congratulations to Merrimack State High School. In 3rd place, congratulations to Queensland Academies. We'll call out 2nd place, and I'd like to congratulate Marist College. And winners of the 2025 Australian School Cyber Challenge, Mentone Grammar School. Well done.